Have you ever wished a single click could turn your idea into a fully researched, polished lead magnet ready to post on LinkedIn? Today, I'll show you the exact n8n workflow that does it, all while I sip my coffee. Stick around. In under 5 minutes, we'll spin one fresh article from scratch and share it live. Why small businesses should care. Thought leadership at startup speed. Regular long-form content without hiring writers. Built-in research rigor, pulls facts, citations, and trends automatically. Zero copy-pasting, ends in a formatted Google Doc with a share link ready for LinkedIn or email blasts. Self-host or cloud. n8n can run on a $5 VPS or n8n cloud. Workflow flyover. Let's peek under the hood. Every box you see here is a node, and together they form a multi-agent assembly line. From a user's chat prompt all the way to a public Google Doc link. Here's the high-level flyover. When chat message received, our trigger. Query builder. Turns your topic into 5 laser-focused research queries. Research leader. Orchestrates web searches and internal knowledge pools. Project planner. Outlines chapters, titles, and key takeaways. Split out. Fans work to a team of research assistants, so tasks run in parallel. We merge, run a code node to glue markdown together, editor polishes tone and voice, and Google Docs nodes create, update, and share the final file. Think of it as a factory line where each station is an AI specialist. Live demo. Let's see it in action. I'm typing the prompt. Zero waste small batch coffee roasting for eco-conscious cafes. First, Query Builder spits out 5 subtopics: market size, waste regulations, equipment options, cost analysis, and customer messaging. Nice! Next, Research Leader dives in with Perplexity. Notice the inline citations. We're talking real-time data, not stale blog posts. Now Project Planner gives us a 9-chapter outline, intro, benefits, step-by-step workflow, even an FAQ. Watch the split out node go crazy. 10 research assistants writing in parallel. That's how we keep total runtime under 3 minutes. Here comes the editor pass, and boom, Google Docs is ready. Let's open it. Headings, bullet lists, citations, image placeholders. It's all here. Time elapsed, less than 3 minutes, faster than the coffee I promised. Node by node deep dive. Quick highlights you'll want to replicate. Query Builder uses a structured output template, so downstream nodes always get clean JSON. Research Leader keeps API keys in environment variables, never hardcode secrets. Split out concurrency is capped at 10 to balance cost and speed. The code node converts markdown to doc with a tiny 15-line JavaScript snippet. Swap in PDF if you prefer. Editor runs Claude at temperature 0.2. Steady tone, no hallucinations. Finally, Google Docs sets share.public to true, so you get an instant link for social or email. Scaling and variations. Want to level up? Batch mode, loop over a CSV of product ideas while you sleep. Brand voice, drop your style guide into the editor prompt, your content, your vibe. CRM handoff, replace the manual, share URL node with HubSpot or Zoho, so every doc attaches to a contact. Cost control, throttle concurrency or switch models. Open routers, GPT-4o is half the price of Claude in some regions. Security first, run n8n behind a reverse proxy, enable auth2, and keep keys in environment file. If this workflow saved you hours or sparked a content idea, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you in my next video. Bye.